Jobber is a cloud-based field service management tool trusted by over 300,000 home service professionals. Think cleaners, landscapers, plumbers, and electricians, designed to boost efficiency across operations, scheduling, and client interaction. Jobber offers a powerful mobile app enabling scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer communication from the field. It includes robust CRM tools, client profiles, job history, communication logs, online booking, and a client hub for self-service features like quote approvals and payment. On the operations side, there's GPS tracking, job forms and checklists, team time tracking, and work order management. Integrations include QuickBooks, Zapier, FleetSharp for seamless workflows. It's got an intuitive mobile-first interface for managing quotes, strong client management with self-service, effective integrations with QuickBooks, Zapier, and GPS. As far as cons, setup and onboarding can be time-consuming and require manual data imports. User experiences are inconsistent. You got issues like tricky invoicing flows and difficult cancellation processes. And costs may be high for smaller teams. So, Jobber is a solid solution for small to medium field service businesses, packed with mobile-friendly, client-centric tools and integrations that streamline operations. But if you're also a solo operator or you're scaling fast, be prepared for a potentially complex setup, higher pricing, possible limitations in flexibility.